Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to manage your Skin Tool password. We'll cover everything from resetting a forgotten password to changing your current one, ensuring your account remains secure. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly, providing clear, step-by-step instructions. Let's make sure your Skin Tool access is always protected and easy to manage. If you've forgotten your Skin Tool password, don't worry. First, navigate to the login screen and select the Forgot Password option. You'll then be prompted to enter your registered email address or username. A verification link will be sent to your email. Click this link to securely set up a brand new password for your account, regaining access quickly. To change your current Skin Tool password, begin by logging into your account as usual. Once inside, look for the Settings or Profile section, typically found in the navigation menu. Within these options, you should find a Change Password or Security setting. You'll need to enter your existing password, then type your new password twice to confirm the change. Maintaining strong password security is crucial. Always create robust passwords that combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. It's also vital to avoid reusing the same password across different online services. For an extra layer of protection, consider utilizing a reputable password manager. These tools can generate and store complex passwords securely for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.